Well, I know where I was when he was killed.
It was your senior year, right?
61.
Yes. No, I was already in Laos.
That's right.
I graduated in '60. But when Kennedy was killed, I was up with a Hmong reconnaissance team just south of, still in Laos, but south of Dien Bien Phu. And we were going to run a team into North Vietnam. And I was up on top of this little hill in a Hmong village. And in the middle of the night, a Hmong kid came up to me and handed me the radio that had VOA on it. And I sat there and listened. And I realized there wasn't I didn't think there was another white face or an American within 300 miles of me at that point. And I thought, what a bizarre, I'll never forget that moment, like nobody else did.
Any clues, Roger?
He's a Brit.
Oh, Geneva monitoring?
Yeah.
Is that guy a Pole or something? That guy a Pole? Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows? But he looks, that's sort of a Brit.
Yeah.
Well,
It's part of the ICC.
It could have been.
Britain wasn't part of the ICC.
No,
No.
Poland and India.